Okay, in the first part of this tutorial we were faced with a problem that every time we clicked on a link that wasn't found, or we typed something up here that wasn't recognized, we were getting an error message from PHP saying that the file or directory could not be found. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit our code here to say to check in fact for the file, and if it is not found we're going to return an error which is going to be a bit more user friendly than the PHP error output. Now instead of this include, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called path, and I'm going to say that is equal to exactly what we had inside our include, and that's going to concatenate that to that, and then we're going to concatenate an extension on the end. So what essentially we are doing is saying echo the path, or sorry, include the path. So let's refresh that, and yep, that's still working. We've still got our error up, and our home and tutorial should still be working. So let's get ahead with making another if statement to say, does the file exist? Now there's a built-in function in PHP called, and I'll create my if first. Actually, no, I'll just create this part of it. It's called file exists. Okay, so we're going to say if file exists, and remember this is a built-in function, you can use it anywhere, no need to declare anything. If file exists, path, then we're going to run a block of code, otherwise we're going to give an error message. Now I'm using curly brackets here at the moment because I'm bound to at one point put some more code in here. I mean, I'm not going to in this tutorial, but just for efficiency I'm going to add these in. So if the file exists, we're going to include our path, otherwise we need to echo out an error. Now this, I believe, gives the result of 1 in a integer if the file does exist. If it doesn't exist, it gives the the integer 0. It may be true or false, I'm not sure. Go and read up on it if you'd really like to know, but for now I'm just going to say read this as if the file does exist, i.e. this file with the thing that with the page that someone specified, then we're going to include this path. Otherwise we're going to say sorry, that file, or that page rather, does not exist. Okay, so we can come back to our page and refresh. Tutorials does exist, however when the user tries to change this to something they want, we have sorry, that page does not exist. So really we're not going to get a nasty PHP error up. The user's not going to think, well, the programmer was too lazy to create this page efficiently for the user friendliness. But that's basically how you do that. Okay, if you have any questions on this or you'd like to request any tutorials, please get in touch, but for now that's another tutorial. Thanks for watching.